What's up, everyone? Gorilla VR back with another video. Today we'll be killing every single monster with the bomb arrows.
It looks like a long pizza. Yeah, I'm not.
Okay, let's get
Looks like
it.
that one just slid out and went, whoop. Ain't no way. Well, you may be doing that, but I'm killing every monster with my special sticks. They one shot. I'm just kidding, they don't. I just now realized how stupid I am. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do what you're doing, because it's smarter.
What?
Yeah, let me do that too.
Just do this. Why is that flying? Look up there. There's something flying.
You know, it wouldn't be fair to use a crossbow because we didn't say crossbow, did we?
But we're still using
No grappler, bro. Let's not do grappler. Grappler's too much. I only have $1,000.
I have a.
Hold on, wait. Let me grab my third leg real quick. Let me grab my third leg.
I have a 2,919,664.
Okay, here's my third leg. This is my third leg.
Let me just.
Bro, I need more. Can you give me like 1,000,000 of that? Can you give me like 1,000,000 of your money? $1 million worth of your money. Like, can you just buy a bunch of RPGs for me? Let me shred them.
What about a crate? Actually, no. I'm gonna keep that.
Crates are that much money.
They only like 2,000, but.
Do you like my third leg? Do you like my third leg?
It's poopy.
This is my third leg.
It's your poopy leg.
Kick! I'm gonna kick you. No.
Okay. Should we use a grappler or is that cheating?
Can you give? Oh, I guess we can use grappler, but we can't use crossbow because that's cheating.
But how are we supposed to?
I have the tiniest RPG ever existing.
So
it does a big explosion.
Okay, so actually, no grapplers. No grapplers allowed.
Unless you die, you get to watch. Let me just yoink. Can you buy me some? Apparently, we're using crossbow and poor.
The crossbow? You can have that one.
Yay!
Okay. No grapplers.
Let's go disown these kids. Wait, how are we supposed to leave first? Oh yeah, we need to go get an umbrella. No! Where did you go? Gaddy boy, where did you go? Oh, there he is.
Okay. So no
Come on.
Come on. No grapplers.
We have to use an umbrella to fly.
But no grapplers. No grapplers.
To beat the sewers.
You should have taken that.
Nah, duh. Unless we get one from a crate.
Yeah.
Unless we get one from a crate. But we can't use it after we get out of the map.
Okay. So first,
I'm killing the chicken.
Hold on, I'm killing.
Oh! It's stuck in the air!
I killed the chicken.
Bro.
Oh fuck.
Ha!
My dog. Holy suit.
Bro, just do that thing like 1,000,000.
I'm gonna kill him.
Ha!
Oh my god!
Ain't no way he did something. I killed him!
Okay,
And I know I killed him because I exploded him.
That's bad.
That could be.
You can't use that.
Oh yeah, watch this. I know, watch this.
A revive me.
Nah. What killed you?
The big ball's gone. You. The big
No.
ball's
Gone, bro. Where'd
Oh,
the big
please.
ball go?
Don't kill
Where'd the
me.
big
Don't.
ball go? Where'd the big ball go?
Already.
I didn't laugh. You laughed.
To just put me. I'm stupid.
Oh, I'm gonna kill a chicken!
I already killed the chicken.
Oh, you lucky.
You want to go kill, hold on, I'm gonna just eat some chicken.
I killed chicken. Yo, bro, can you kill one of the?
So,
Oh my god! Oh
My backpack just emptied out on us. I just went. I killed you on accident. I felt myself getting red watch while I was a ghost. I kind of need more stuff. I'm only got $1,000. Let me see if I got more money in here. Get your money. I'm not your funny. I say we use grapplers.
No, that's cheating.
No, it's not
No.
a weapon.
Yeah,
It's not a weapon.
yeah, but it will be easier, so we have to make it hard on ourselves.
What the heck? Oh
We
my God.
we have to torture ourselves. We have to torture ourselves, so people will actually enjoy the video.
Oh, well, if you want to torture us, then no crossbows.
No grapplers. Because
No
I'm
crossbows either.
yes, cross.
But that would be funner if we did no crossbows, wouldn't it? We had to go up to the mob and go, yeet!
But
Okay, I kind of need you to buy me some. I can buy myself a backpack.
you poor. I
donation.
have 2 million.
I have 877.
800.
Like, no
Oh.
thousands, no millions. Just 877.
Donation. Donation.
Okay, I actually kind of need some bomb arrows. Bomb arrows?
Just take mine. Give me that badge.
Bro, what? Here you go. I'm not using a crossbow because I'm poor.
I'll buy
No
you.
crossbow versus crossbow.
There's one over here.
You sure?
Oh, it despawned.
What did you step on?
Yo, guess
What?
What?
My grandma broke her back. She gets 5 big booms. Boom! 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 But for real, she didn't. She's okay. I hope. It didn't even beat.
It's perfect in your. It was perfect in your hand.
Why does it look so realistic? Look at the tip of it. Look at the tip of it. Shiny. It's not square. It's like shiny. Most stuff are like pixels, but this is like. This looks like it would be from like lab or something.
Dude, it's shinier than
like a
my
square
booty cheeks.
Let me rub it on there.
Hey, yo,
That butt cheek
nah.
cream because your butt's messed up. You need the butt cheek cream. Yo, don't you have other animals besides a gorilla? Big gorilla. What the? Wait.
Take it.
Yo, bro, I'm gonna pretend to be a booger, okay? I'm a booger. I mean, this is pink, so what am I even yapping about? So, okay, so what I meant to say was, What I meant to say was, I'm a booger. I'm a booger. I'm a booger.
Okay, I have 20.
My booger. My booger. Uranium. You're 80.
We have been here for a while now.
Yo, don't you just love Uranus? It's such a cool planet.
I know. And did you know what was that planet, dog? The one
Saturn, Jupiter, Mars.
Jupiter is a big
Right.
gas planet. Jupiter's a big ass planet. I said gas, not ASS.
Well, then you would have to say big gas in it. Big gas planet. See?
Big black Among Us.
I almost shot it on your grandma.
Okay.
What the? I'm floating. Life could be dream. Life could be dream. Okay, life could have been dream, but guess not.
We don't need to kill the ogre again. We don't need to kill him again. Why'd you do that?
Bro, stupid. Look how stupid he is.
Nah, you're
I'm not gonna hit me.
stupid.
Haha, man. Imagine missing that much.
You're stupid. You're stupid. I killed you because you did something. You're stupid.
No, I'm lucky. No, I'm lucky. Except for my internet. My internet made
You kill me. Don't know how that works. Wait, we need to go kill Armstrong in his original house. Can I have that arrow?
Oh
I
wait.
dropped mine.
No.
I did it!
That is all your fault. Oh my god.
My internet killed us.
Here.
Yo, you get me?
You can have a grappler, but
me a-
but it's
I
only
meant
for
to say a
getting,
crossbow.
but it's only for getting our stuff. We're not allowed to use it for the rest of the challenge.
Gotta go fast, fast, fast. Gas, gas, gas. Gotta go fast. Yo, I'm trying to use a sonic throwing method. Watch this.
I'm going to Armstrong Cave.
It didn't move an inch. Yo, bro, you're cooked if you see them. So is that chicken.
Wait, I don't think, I don't.
Why am I kind of flying? I'm a bird.
No,
Bird. I'm a bird, bro. No fast. I'm a bird. You watch this, watch this, watch this. Fatty's house.
I killed him.
Yo, can you open that? I want a yacht. I want the yacht. The thing's at the thickness of my mom's yacht. Oh, my frisbee. My frisbee. Frisbee. Drive, drive, drive. Drive, drive. Drive, drive. Drive. I have a shield. I got a shield. I got a shield. I got a shield.
No.
Can't hold
you're-
back.
No, how stupid are you?
Look how dumb he is. Don't look at
Dude.
me. I'm invincible. Life could be dream. Life could be dream. Bro, he decides to be smart on you for some reason. It hit my shield. I'm alive. He hit my shield. I hit him. I hit him. Yeah.
We don't need to kill the ogre.
Bro, that got thick. Look at that thing, bro. Thick. You can't throw that at me. How?
What, you gonna pick me up? You gonna pick me up? Run! Run! Timo cheese. Timo cheese.
I know this might be cheating, but
Timo cheese? Timo cheese. Yeah, I can't tell the difference. Timo cheese or Timothy? Timo cheese or Timothy? Timo cheese. Timothy.
Yeah, don't make sense to me.
you're stupid.
Yo, kill me. I need to kill a chicken. Come back.
How have
I didn't say kill John. I said chicken. Is coming back. Oh, is there food in there? I want food. Food! Haha. Food. I need more food. I want a Big Mac. Agenda. Bro, why is he chasing you? Timo cheese! Timo cheese!
dude? We need to go down already.
Do we need to go kill Angler? Do we have to kill Angler?
Yes.
Content! 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 I think I just peed a little bit. Yo, Timo cheese is here.
It's
Timo
scary.
cheese is here. Timo cheese is right there.
We're gonna go get a flashlight.
But Timo cheese is right behind me. Bro, I can't.
I'm gonna go get a flashlight, dude.
If you can't see, then you can't see the bad guy. Which means they can't see you. If you can't see them, if you can't see them, they can't see you. But we don't need a gun. We just need to not see. Can you get me some more bombs?
No. You should buy them yourself. I'm going down to Angler.
I don't have money. Wait, did you bring me a flashlight?
You stupid! Come here. Let me get you a freaking flashlight.
I don't have money. I'm about to leave.
You're poor as
Timo
hell.
cheese was chasing me. Light. Lights on? Night light on.
I have
wait,
an
what?
idea!
Bum, 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 bum.
Okay, let's go kill Angler.
Yeah. Timo cheese. Timo cheese. Timo cheese.
Dude,
Wait,
do you think we
have
should
to
get
kill the
MRE
Timo cheese
packs?
That's in Dark Forest.
I'm gonna go get MRE. Like 2 MREs just in case.
Yo, bro, do we have to kill Timo cheese that's in our forest because he's dark forest.
Yeah,
Do
we
we?
do. Yes.
Wait,
No. Yeah, we
but
do.
Timu Cheese is fat and he's thick.
Who?
They
who?
look just like the same.
Oh,
Are
you
they
mean
twins?
anglerfish and?
No, giant.
Oh no, we don't
Giant.
have to kill him.
Oh, thank goodness. Timu Cheese's brother is kind of scary, honestly. Or his twin. Timu Cheese, attack! Giant's name is Timu Cheese. I don't know if you know that. Well, both their name is Timothy, but Timu Cheese is talking about both of them because Timothy. No rocks. Bro, missed dramatically. Bro, I had to turn on my light because I think Angler's coming for. Yo, I can't Timothy. I can't Timu Cheese.
Let's go.
I can't
Zombies?
Timu Cheese.
We can't be scared. We're every.
I'm not scared. Yeah. Hello, knock knock. Hello, anybody home? I don't like you. Do we have to kill him?
Oh my god!
Eat a little bit. I see angler. I see rip-off fish. I see rip-off fish. Rip-off.
Oh my god!
I'm scared. I can't see. I'm hiding. I don't think they can see me. Hiya. Light. I am a light. I'm distracting angler. I'm a light. I'm a
Okay.
light. I'm a light. I'm the child of light. Come get me, angler. I'm a child of light. Light. Lights on. Lights on.
What?
Emery. It's an Emery.
Wait,
Look,
that
guys,
was
it's an Emery.
mine. That was mine. Oh god, that was mine.
Oh man, no munchie snacks for me.
Where
I'll
is?
get munchie snacks. I know.
Okay. Where's Angie-ish?
He's right here.
There he is.
Timocheese. Timocheese is coming. Timocheese is coming.
I killed him! I killed
Timocheese
Anglerfish!
is right there. Timocheese is right there. Timocheese is right there. Timocheese is chasing me. That's a fun sentence.
I killed Anglerfish!
I know. Timocheese is still coming. Wait, you can put it in those quivers, right? Can you? Oh! I survived. Can't you put like arrows in a quiver, right? You drop the quiver. You drop the quiver.
I know, we don't need it.
Don't we
Okay.
have to go kill? Don't we have to go kill like?
But we
I
have to
don't
go. We have to kill red light, green light, mimic.
Can we kill the lady? Can we kill like the lady?
No,
What, with
we
the
can't.
bomb?
We can't kill
Bombs
the.
like.
We
Wait,
can't
what if
kill.
we bring a landmine? What if we bring a landmine and drop it?
No, but that means we would die too.
Now
We
it's
don't-
still turned off.
We don't need to go to our dimension. There was
Okay.
And
I'm
what we
putting
need,
Team Cheese's brother shield in the.
we just need to do the chicken.
Okay, let's go.
We need to do the chicken, the red light, chicken, red light, green light, and mimic.
We already killed the turkey. Oh wait, you mean like the chicken with the egg? Oh yeah. I don't like him.
Yeah, me neither. But we're still gonna do it because we're big boys. Sounds weird. We're Sigma. We're Sig. What the?
Eyeball. Hut, hut. I missed. Well. Blood. I don't want that guy died. Bro, he knows Team Cheese because he learned the ways. Bro, how did...
Oh my god, I'm so stupid.
We're cooked.
Our stuff is.
Whoa! We just made so much money because of my arrow dropped on the ground. Oh, I made nothing.
Come on.
Bro, wait, can you hand me one of those? All I need is one.
Okay, here.
Gotta go fast, fast, fast! Umbrella!
Wait, no, that's my stuff. I hate you.
It's just a thingy. Where's my stuff? Makes sense. My stuff just got blown away.
Okay.
What the? Bro, can you explain this to me? How? Oh, I thought you died. Under the sea. Hey, bro, there's a box. There's a box right there. I said we open it and risk.
Oh, that has.
What did we get? What did we get? Wait, this is so fun. Ow. I know what we can do with that. I know what we can do with that. We can throw it at red light, green light, and see what it does.
Wait,
There's magic tricks
here.
that I learned.
Here's the MRE.
I'm still alive.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yo, why is this cutting off? Why is this thing cut off? Look, bro. It's not even touching.
What the?
What the shit? Come on, shit, come on, get my boy.
Oh, I almost forgot. We need to kill the big bomb, and and the 2 bombs. We need to kill all the bombs. We need to kill all 3 of the bombs.
Sorry.
Okay. Dude, can you stop that?
I'm risking it for all of it. I believe.
Yo, can you rest? I believe. Bro, I need to revive me.
Okay, I will.
I played these games before.
Dude, how did it?
I touched the slide. I said Team Cheese, I jumped and then I touched the slide and died.
Stop killing yourself.
Sir, yes, sir. Then I'll be risky with it.
How is he so stupid?
See, I told you I'd stop killing myself.
I killed the bomb! I killed the bomb!
Okay, good for you. Game on, Yeah, you wanna go? Look at me! Look at me, don't look at him! I'm big, fat, and ugly. Go, bro, I'm distracting him! Baka! I'm tight roping!
If he gets you, you're
Yo, bro, I'm
cooked.
tight roping.
If he
Tight
gets
roping!
nah, if he gets you, you're cooked.
I still like it. I'm alive and thriving! Smell that? I can smell it sizzling! Don't still lie, bro. This guy sucks. Baby, don't you know I'm feeling better than anything. Looking like a true survivor. Feeling like a little kid. Yeah. I'm still standing. Yeah. Baby, don't you know I'm still standing better than I ever did. Looking like a true survivor.
I need to get more.
Still standing.
This is gonna take a while. And plus my VR is gonna die. I just...
Where you at, bro?
Oh. Hello.
This
Finally
gonna take-
died.
We might need to make a part 2 later.
I think I'm the goat.
We might need to do a part 2. If my VR dies...
I just beat me, but I think I'm the goat.
Okay, I'm gonna take...
I survived for that long.
I'm gonna take 2 RPG ammo. Because... taking way too long to kill him. I'm sorry, guys. But when my... sorry, guys. But I think we have to do a part 2. So, guys, sorry that I couldn't, I'm sorry, guys, that I couldn't finish the
I'm a
video.
cheese
but my
ball.
VR
I'm
is
the
gonna die.
dragon
but
boy.
My VR is gonna die, so
I'm
I'll
the
do
dragon
part
born.
2. So see
Humble,
you in the next one.
wobble, wobble,
Another VR out.
humble.